5. Noah, can you say apple? Apple. Very good. Can you say cheese? Very good. Can you say milk? Milk? Can you say bread? What's bread? No, we're stuck on cheese. Can you
Say berry.
Apple? Apple? What's berry? Can you say berry? Berry? What's berry? Can you say banana? Oh, the bread. You say bread? Okay, that's bread. What's cookie? Cookie?
This?
Can you say berry? Not bread. Berry. Remember berry? This is berry. Say berry? No, not cheese.